look who it is, it's you. Welcome to another point of view hiking video in beautiful 4K. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mike, and as I go along the hiking trail, you get to see what I see. Now, I like to go hiking at least 4 times a week as a form of exercise. I try to put in 30 to 40 minutes a day, and while I'm doing that, I record it with my GoPro so that you could come along with me. It's a great way to escape your day. If you're in the workplace and you need a 20-minute break and you just want to escape into another world, you can come right here and watch these videos and go on these hikes with me and see what I see. Now, I post a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but Mondays and Friday, I tell a story or some kind of anecdote or whatever, and then Wednesday is just a sights and sound video, meaning that you hear what I hear. You don't have to listen to me go on and on and on and on and on and on. Today, I'm going to talk about how lucky we are as human beings. You know, we really don't think about how lucky we are. You know, we live each day and we just don't think about it. So I'm going to talk about that and maybe open your eyes to how lucky it is to actually be a human. But before we go to that, I have some business I got to take care of. I need to get people subscribing to this channel because that's how we grow. And when we grow, it tells YouTube that, hey, we got a channel here that people are paying attention to. And maybe YouTube will show it to others. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. And also, like the video. That is if you actually like the video. I mean, if you don't like the video, then I don't want you to hit the like button and be dishonest. However, if you find that you're enjoying the video, hit the like button. Just hit it. Hit it really hard. Hit that like button. All right, one last piece of business before we get to my story about how lucky we are as humans, that we are human miracles. And that is, I'm going to do right now a shameless plug. And if you're new to the videos and you have not seen one of my videos yet and you're wondering what my shameless plug is, it's where I shamelessly plug something that I've created. My merch. Merch by Mike. Merch. This is Mike with a shameless plug for my own website. I actually have a few websites, but today I would like to introduce you to MikeMburkeDesigns.com. If you're looking for cool items to add to your home, give as a gift, we got Christmas, you've got birthdays, there are plenty of things to choose from here at MikeMburkeDesigns.com. A lot of these items are designed for the home. We have beautiful items for your bedroom, for your living room, all kinds of different themes. So check out MikeMburkeDesigns.com and order today. And there's my shameless plug. It's another lovely day out here on the trail. Beautiful day. I don't care if it's cold or warm. It's always nice to get out and go for a walk. So how lucky are we as humans? Really, we are lucky human miracles. It is amazing how lucky a human really is. None of us really understand how lucky we are. If you live to 80 years old, consider yourself super lucky. If you see 100 years old, call yourself one of the luckiest people in the world. Just think about it. We have so many things against us. Every day and every minute of our lives, we face death. We don't think about it because that's life, and we shouldn't think about it. Our job is to just live and appreciate each day for what it is and not think about that. But when you really think about it, we are living miracles. One night I was listening to all of these bad things going on in the news. Who murdered who and what storm killed how many people, how many teens were killed in a car accident, gas is too high, the U.S. economy is crashing, we're all gonna die. And in that same week, I had 3 family members face medical problems that could have been deadly. It all hit me in one swoop. My God, we are so unsafe. I could get in my truck to drive home and my life could end on the highway. I could feel sick and go into the doctor only to find out I have cancer. A UFO full of aliens could come crashing through my roof and vaporize me. As human beings, we have so much against us. It really is amazing. Every day we face death. The fact that we can go to sleep at night unharmed and wake up to face it all again is a miracle. We take advantage of that fact, and that is a good thing. Take robins, for example. You know, the birds. They should at least be able to live for 5 years, but most don't make it. They're lucky if they see a year. We should not live our lives in fear of the unknown. It's better to not think about it. However, we should feel lucky because we get to live each day as if it's really a miracle, because it is. Not like a robin who only lives a year if they're lucky. We can live to 80, 90, 100, 105 years. In one day, you could find out you have cancer, be bitten by a spider, a snake attack, wild animal attack, car accident, hit and run, knife wound, drowned, stabbed, tornado, hurricane, lightning, the flu, bad fall, gunshot, murder, childbirth, choking, poisoning. And after we escape all that, we could be electrocuted, train crash, plane crash, carpentry accident, suffocation, bleed to death, or even killed by falling debris from the sky. Yet for those of us who escape it, we are the luckiest people in the world. We should be so thankful when we go to sleep at night because our lives were spared. We are walking miracles. The oldest among us are downright amazing. They have made it through all of that in all of those years, and they get to live on. There are so many people who now live past 100. And many of them keep going on and on until simply their bodies are just too old to go on. Each day, we should tell those who are important to us how we feel about them. They could be gone tomorrow. Leading people on and allowing them to believe things that may not be true, or even allow them to wonder what you feel is just wrong. That person will face death tomorrow, just as you will. We may not know it, but we all do every day. Unfortunately, we all know death will strike, and how sad it'll be if we have to go through the rest of our lives knowing we never said what we wanted to say to those that are important to us. Always tell them the truth. Always tell them how you feel. Appreciate your family, always. Keep them close to your heart. For your wife or husband, make sure you don't go to bed angry. Talk before you sleep. Work it out. Get it all out of your system, including every dirty little detail and every little thing that bothers you. And for all of the other things that plague you each day, all of the things that stress you out, bother you or worry you, let it all go. Just let it all go. And as you drift off to sleep, sleep in peace. Sleep in peace. And when you make it through the night and you wake up that next morning, just know that another miracle has taken place. And be happy about it. Be grateful about it. Be excited that you get to live another day. That you survived life, because life really is tough. And you're still here. You made it. You made it because you are a walking miracle. Yes, there is so much against us, but every day we fight on. We fight through it all. We live each day and we go to the next. We beat cancer, only to face something else. We survive a near-deadly car accident, only to get bitten by a spider. But we continue to go on, because all of these things seemingly are against us. But they're only roadblocks. They're roadblocks. And we can get over those roadblocks. We can get through them and keep going and keep going. It's like there's a finish line, and we are determined to make it. I know I feel lucky when I think about it. Every day we look for hope and pray for a miracle, but none of us realize that the true miracle is that we breathe every day, and that we wake up the next day and do it again, that we get to live to be 10 years old, 20 years old, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 years. 100 years when everything is against us and all of the things we face, and we get to make it to 100 years. We need to embrace our luck while we have it. I used to think celebrating a birthday was nonsense. Big deal, you're another year older. I'd rather be another year younger. But now maybe we should be celebrating the fact that a birthday represents the miracle that is our life. That we dodged more bullets than we even know. And now we get to sit down and take a bite out of that tasty cake and live another day. We truly are lucky humans, and we need to appreciate that no matter what your age is, and remember it for every single day we draw breath, wake up the next morning, ready to do it again.